Reece, how did practice go?
Yeah, it was good. Track was nice. It was nice and tacky, nice and deep rip, so it was good. Should be a rough day, which should be fun.
So, bit of bad luck in the first round with the crash. Looking for a better day today?
Yeah, just one little mistake that cost me quite a bit last round. So if we can minimise those, we'll be good for today and the rest of the championship.
So James, bit of bad luck the first round. Are you looking for a better weekend this time?
Yeah, man. Just had a bit of bad luck at New Plymouth. We ended up going down pretty hard in the last moto. Oh, the first moto, sorry, and he ended up landing on my head pretty bad. Took a week off, went home, regrouped, did a bit of riding with Josh and Reece Carter. So yeah, feeling pretty good today.
So first moto looked like went pretty well. Talk us through it.
Yeah, I mean, got off to a good start. I mean, I had a good start on my practice lap and had another good start in my race. Ended up about third around the first corner. Got passed by Brad Groombridge and Michael McGoldrick, but Hayden Smith ended up going down and I was in a pretty comfortable fifth, and yeah, pretty much just rode around and felt pretty good on the bike. Kept my lap times down and felt pretty good till the finish.
It's a single for the summer, I got y'all covered. They wanna ask about my numbers, fuck where you come from. Them hoes be sneaky, baby, come on. I never trust them, I got the spot going up, yeah. I'm in these streets just like a runner, I'm on some other. You see me starting, I be ducking and fucking busting. I'm busting heads, yo, I be killing. Y'all feel me illin', that low bikinis inside Tahiti, them look like Riri. I feel that seaweed for the summer. California, supposed to send some come up, fuck up the numbers. Yeah, we barely got it started, and now we rollin'. I got the spot going up. Hey, single footer, keep a couple damn girls in my apartment. My damn comforter is Ralph Lauren. Hey, cloud on my dick, I'm out the shower. Blowing money fast, I don't like to count it. Bitches at the nigga since the game, candy rappers couldn't find a lane, not really. Y'all be all of y'all feelings, I be up with no ceilings. Please get out of my business, ginger ale in my Henny. I got the spot going up, yeah. What, ayy, single footer.
From Ring, Carter, doing his best to keep him.
I'm single for the summer. Give me your number. I'ma have you singing like Aretha when I hit it lethal. In the dirty sneakers and a t-shirt. Better do your research. Bitch, I'm a national treasure. Bitch, I don't crack under pressure. Bitch, I bedazzle you peasants. Bitch, I'm a dog from the reservoir. I kill a man with an XLR. I smoke a blunt with the Reverend dog. I fuck a bitch in my ex's car. I don't ever flinch. I always hit the smash, bitch. Caught up, felon, Jibs.
It's a single for the summer, I got y'all covered. They wanna ask about my numbers, fuck where you come from. Them hoes be sneaky, baby, come on. I never trust them, I got the spot going up, yeah. You wanna go dirt bike right now?
We don't have the bike.
Oh, they rent the bikes in the RV. I never sleep, I'm on some other. Run me back.
For Blake Roundtree film and photo, what an awesome way to sum up our day. This has been absolutely awesome. Rotorua rising to a standard we've not seen before. This has just been incredible. The Motocross Championship in New Zealand, world-class event on our doorstep here. We've loved every bit of it. And we're only at the halfway mark, so still 2 great rounds to go with Hawke's Bay and Taupo. Delighted to share our glory with our champions today. First of all to Kirk Gibbs, a visiting Australian, showing us how good he is in MX1. To our MX2 class today, reigning champion, cementing it again with another 3 brilliant victories, Hamish Harwood. What about our Women's Cup today? How good is that for Taylar Rampton? Big congrats to her. Also the current New Zealand Women's Champion. She wins the Women's Cup over these first 2 rounds. And also big congrats to 44 Maximus Purvis. What a way to take out the 125 class today. In one of the races, he was down, almost out, but he fought back to take a win on that final lap. Super exciting and fast. It is motocross. It's live, loud and proud, and you're catching it on Blake Roundtree Film and Photo. Catch ya.
I got your cover. They wanna ask about my numbers. Fuck where you come from. Them hoes be sneaky, baby. Come on.